And this is my next lawnmower find here. This is a trash pick Toro recycler, 22-inch, with a 7.0 gross torque, 190cc Briggs & Stratton engine. Personal Pace model. This is model 20332. Looks like it's a 2011 model. And it's got this optional piece of tape on here too. I got to find out what's under there. And it does not run. This was out in our local neighborhood here, along with a desk. No grass catcher, no side chute with this. And it looks kind of greasy. Kind of checking this out at the same time here. Just picked this up. Engine will turn over. Feels like it's got compression, but it really reeks of old gas from a distance, close up as well. It's got the wash port. See how greasy this engine is. It's like got grass seed on top of it as well. I think it'll clean up pretty good. A little wear on the rear tires here. And if this comes out with a shadow here, looked like it had oil in it. Probably it's never been changed. A little bit overfilled. A very small yard, probably no backyard to it, just a front yard. So I can't imagine it's had a whole lot of use since it's purchased 2011. No prime ready start engine. Front little bumper's not beat up. And we certainly can see some grease around this air filter area. More grass seeds. And we're caked with grass clippings underneath as well. 22-inch recycler blade. I think this is going to clean up pretty nice. Pretty sure we got a fuel related problem with it, but we're going to try to give this a start. Let me show you more about this Toro Personal Pace, and we're going to try to give it a start. Let's check out this air filter here. Definitely smell old gas from this. Oh boy, it's packed with dirt and it's heavy and really greasy. And it's got oil in the bottom of it. This thing has probably been tilted or overfilled with oil at one time. And that's a mess. Air filter cover. Let's see if the choke is sticking here. No, the automatic choke is not sticking. I bet it's packed with grass clippings in there as well. And here's the side chute area. Needs to be clean, but I don't see any rust. I'm going to check the rear wheels. The height adjustment, at least in the rear, is not frozen. Looks like the front ones may be. Wheels look pretty good. A little bit worn in the back. And here's the model and serial number of this Toro Personal Pace, model 20332, and the 311 serial number shows me this is a 2011 model. Looks pretty clean back here. This is the mulch flap here. With no bag, it is just a mulching mower. But no rust, looks pretty good. And the rope looks like it's in good condition on here. Rope handles in place. Looks like there might have been some adjustment on this self-propelled at one time. Cable actually feels a little bit tight. Looks like the cables and everything are in place and in good condition here. For the self-propelled. I'll leave this air filter off here because it's so greasy. And let's just try to start it as is. It's got some gas in here. Well, not much. I better put some in here. Yeah, but it really reeks of old gas when I open this up. Alright, let's give this an attempt to start here, first time. With a piece of tape on here. Put a little bit of gas in here. If I got to clean this carburetor out, I don't want to waste this gas. Clean the tank out. I'll leave this greasy air filter off. And let's see what this trash pick mower will do, if anything. Here we go. Oh, I tried to start. Wow, does this smell bad? Tried to do something. Put a little bit of carburetor cleaner in here and keep trying. The rag under here, this carburetor cleaner is strong. It'll remove paint. Don't want to mess up the paint on this pretty lawnmower here. Let's see if this does anything. Well, I did try to start. Definitely a fuel related problem. We'll keep putting some carburetor cleaner in here. See if that'll push anything out. See if it'll keep running. That's a pretty good sign. Well, after a number of tries, this is all it will do. It'll try to start and cut right off. So we definitely got a fuel problem with it. Let's see if I can recreate this one more time here. And that is all it will do. So I'm going to clean this up before I even start to work on this. Get some of this grease off here. Find out the mystery of this tape. Why is it here? In fact, let's pull this off and see. Well, I don't see any hole or anything. Not sure why they have the tape on here. Solved that mystery, just took it off. So we'll clean this up and we're going to do a follow-up video here. See if we can figure out what's wrong with this nice looking Toro. See if we can get this back running again.